and C6.6. These two pumps, the other parts of them are same. The following I will introduce one by one of Cat 320D pump spare parts. The first part is solenoid valve assembly. It's composed of two parts: the solenoid valve and the armature assembly. The solenoid valve model number is 3125620, and it is original. You can see the solenoid valve detail. The model number is 3125620. This is the armature assembly. It is new made in China. You can check the details. After careful testing, the quality is guaranteed, and it is very popular in the market. And the armature assembling can be sold alone. Let's show the detail. You can have a look. This is the solenoid valve. We have two types, original and made in China. To request different customers. And the solenoid can be marked ring groove on the solenoid valve. Let's show it to you, and you can check the details. The solenoid valve is with ring groove. We can compare it with one is with ring groove, another is without ring groove.